Daghanan ng agi, sila tanang pulugahi. Ilabo ng mga hari, mga isog gilimudi. Ug naabot na ang panahon, ako ana saglitan ng karon. So pagdating o gamay, I'm gonna claim my throne. People's born cause a new king is born, the old king is overthrown. I've been at no murder, di by man, let it be known. I'm gonna own, the crown is mine alone. Ang gate sa palasyo aglihi, ang throne room hintuhi. Akong portrait i-display so the whole world will see. Now no one will deny my destiny. Go and prepare everything, wala na ko'y time for the little things. If today they will crown the king. Pwede mo talk shit about nako, pero I don't give shit sa mga iro. Kung ako ni mo be a good double, I have lots of treats for you. So play between your legs, hide and do your best. Then he says will turn to shreds, off with their heads. So much better to bow down to me and crown the king today. That island is mine to walk, okay, lugar to talk. Just look at this crook, tanang kasakit, pagkahabog ay worth it. If asa koron, I deserve it, I earned it, it's perfect. Ang akong hustle, just learn it, iliswerte. Akong naagian pa ding dili kay puwerte. Kalisod grabe, di ka masalapuhan. Magpadalo sa unos, kung sa ulan, mamitin na bulan. Paspulan, bisang paman, pagbasang daan na kurugman. Giturugan, di hanong ating panang gipiling na dalan. Go and prepare everything, wala na ko'y time for the little things. Kay today they will crown the king. Pwede mo talk shit about nako, pero I don't give shit sa mga iro. Kung ako ni mo be a good double, I have lots of treats for you. So get between your legs, hide and do your best. Then he says will turn to shreds, off with their heads. So much better to bow down to me and crown the king today. Pero I am not yet at the top, this is only my first stop. My next stop is to conquer non-stop. Tuyugo ng kalibutan, luparo ng kalangitan. Ang kuno ng kawanan, anuban ng mga bitoon at laupon. Why makapugong sa plano kung magari sa tanan. Go and prepare everything, wala na ko'y time for the little things. Kay today they will crown the king. Pwede mo talk shit about nako, pero I don't give shit sa mga iro. Kung ako ni mo be a good double, I have lots of treats for you. So get between your legs, hide and do your best. Then he says will turn to shreds, off with their heads. So much better to bow down to me and crown the king today.